Today we will be taking the ferry from Ullapool to Stornoway in the Outer Hebrides. We will be driving together from Inverness to Ullapool, boarding on our longest CalMac's ferry trip to date. Good morning, folks. Join us on a trip to Stornoway, the capital of Lewis and Harris. We drove from Inverness to Ullapool, and now we're taking the ferry from Ullapool to Stornoway. It's going to take about 3 hours, and for us, this is going to be the longest CalMac's ferry that we've taken so far. So let's see what we can expect. If you're planning an overnight stay near Ullapool, you can of course find accommodation in Ullapool. However, we stayed in Inverness. It's a less than 60-mile drive and takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Being a city, we were able to find cheap accommodation in Inverness, and we were able to explore Inverness before driving to Ullapool the next morning.
Look how hanging the water is.
The water is so clear. So that is another ferry leaving. I wonder where that one is going. I don't see where our ferry is yet. Our ferry will be leaving at 10:30, and the check-in time is until 9:45, so up to 45 minutes before departure. And that's when check-in closes. It closes. So let's see how it all goes. I wonder how big the ferry is as well. So the ferry terminal is just here, and I'm not sure where we will have to park for the ferry, because this is for foot passengers to walk. Ferry buses, I think it's over there. So you check in here, and then I think you just, I don't know. We'll see how we get onto the ferry. Oh, sorry.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
It's a bit top right.
Top right, sorry.
Oh, right.
Four passengers, 3 vehicles.
Yeah.
No, four passengers, 2 vehicles. Sorry, we've got them too. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Oh, aye. Brilliant. Thank you. So just for context, we're driving with my parents over to Stornoway, and the lady said 3 vehicles, but we only have 2. It's because they have the box, the roof box, and that counts as, or they see it as a vehicle. It's pretty good because even though we're both on the same ticket, basically on the same booking, it was absolutely fine. It's not, you don't have to worry about going on at the same time, I would say, right? It was very good, yeah. Oh, we can see puffins.
Well, that was what we seen. It was either that or a mink we seen on Lismore, remember?
On Lismore, yeah.
So if you see that, you're supposed to report it.
Why?
Run away.
Minks.
Wait, rats aren't? Yeah, because it's not native to the islands. So you're supposed to report it.
Or even the mice aren't up with
Yeah, it's weird. I didn't think mice are.
And hedgehogs?
Or hedgehogs.
Oh, hedgehogs. Just before you board the ferry, there's still another street, so there's just like normal traffic that you still have to conduct.
I know what is I. Perfect, cheers.
You,
I think we'll just go up and then.
yeah, you can just.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll
I'm
just go
gonna
up.
hang
Now we just have to find my parents. Shall we just sit here? Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good.
on. We can walk about at some point.
Yeah, we can walk about
I
at
need
some
a-
point.
If we could.
Can I hang out for 3 hours?
They didn't,
A little bit
like your
tight.
car, that's why they made you go
Do
there.
you think so? Or do you thought, oh, he's got a good car, or he can drive?
In proper Holt's fashion, we got sandwiches. Everything to pass over 3
smell
hours.
it in the
Put in
car.
some hot water and we can make coffee. Can you give us some hot water?
But I think you have to pay for hot water.
And we want some healthy fruit, chocolate as well.
Oh, fruit and chocolate.
Oh my god.
Biscuits.
Oh my god.
Mum brought everything from Germany.
And a little picnic. This is very nice.
Very nice. Oh, these are nice ones.
Thank you.
The ferry from Ullapool to Stornoway takes about 2 hours and 40 minutes. On most days there are 2 ferries and there are 3 ferries on Sundays. However, there are some differences between summer and winter schedules, so I'd recommend to check the schedules out. Also, this is a very popular ferry with the latest CalMac's stats showing that over 285,000 passengers took this route in 2022. Thus, I'd recommend booking in advance, especially if you're taking a vehicle. We will give you a wee tour of the ferry, and to be honest, I thought, well, it looked bigger than it actually is. I thought there would be a bit more like entertainment.
Oh wow. Look.
Oh wow. So we can show you where we are going. So we started off, where's Ullapool? Ullapool is here. And we've passed this bit. And of course, being so sheltered, it was fine. And now we're getting closer.
Where are we, do you think?
I have no clue. What time is it?
What's the scale?
So it is, we've been on the ferry for nearly an hour, right? And that means we've done a third. We've got a third of the trip. So let's see. There's Ullapool. And then
So we must just be like.
we must
yeah,
be on our
over.
way there
Yeah.
to Stornoway.
Mm-hmm.
Because we've just eaten a few of it. And in this little lounge area, you can even watch telly.
Saturday morning cookery show.
Yeah, our favourite.
Cool.
No, it's not that cold yet, which is good. I'm not gonna lie, we've only been here for an hour and we still have nearly 2 hours to go. I'm already bored.
It's so choppy though.
Yeah,
But the
it's
water doesn't
choppy.
look choppy.
No, the water doesn't look choppy. See, look.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You're extremely lucky you may encounter a killer whale. It's called a whale because of its large size, though it is actually the largest dolphin. Look for the white eye. Look for the white eye patch and striking dorsal fin, which can be 2 meters tall in males. Wow. Well, we now have only about half an hour until we arrive. Yeah, half an hour exactly. And you really notice the difference that the water isn't as choppy anymore, but still feel a bit seasick. Well, folks, that's us just arrived in Stornoway. Thanks so much for joining us on our wee trip, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!